Welcome to our Max Art Integrated project presented by the Fantastic Six.
Presented by Nasriya Tahzin, Faber Essaji, Sunina Arif, Felix Santosh, Adarsh A. Nair and Joel Jain. Submitted to our Max teacher Mr. Johnson T. George and to St. Thomas HSS and Senior Secondary School.
Circle, the universal symbol.
This project entitled Circle, the Universal Symbol as its name suggests is based on circles. In this project we will discuss various aspects of a circle like what are circles, discovery of circles, why circles are very famous, etc. This project is connected to the art and culture of people of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Thus we have taken care of all the main tasks given to us by our maths teacher Mr. Johnson T. George. We know what are circles. Let's get into more deeper and know much more about circle. Circle is a closed two-dimensional figure in which the set of all the points in the plane are equidistant from a given point called the center. Every line that passes through the circle forms a line of reflection symmetry. Also, it has rotational symmetry around the center for every angle. The circle formula in the plane is given as x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square, where x, y are the coordinate points and h and k is the coordinate of the center of the circle and r is the radius of the circle. So there are different parts of a circle. They are the arc, sector, segment, center, chord, diameter, radius, secant and tangent. So some among these are discussed further. So what is radius? A radius is a line segment connecting the center of the circle to any point on the circle itself. The radius of the circle is denoted by capital R or small r. Diameter is a line segment having both the endpoints on the circle. It is twice the length of radius, that is diameter is equal to 2 times r, that is the radius. From the diameter, the radius of the circle formula is obtained as radius is equal to diameter divided by 2.
History of circles. The word circle derives from the Greek kirkos or kuklos, itself a metathesis of the Homeric Greek kirkos, meaning hoop or ring. The circle has been known since before the beginning of the recorded history. Natural circles would have been observed, such as the moon, sun, and a short plant stack blowing in the wind on sand, which forms a circle shape in the sand. The circle is a basic for the wheel, which with related inventions such as gears makes much of modern machinery possible. In mathematics, the study of the circle has helped inspire the development of geometry, astronomy and calculus.
Different types of circles. Concentric circles. When two or more circles have the common center, then these circles are called concentric circles. Contact of circles. When outer surface of two circles are touching, it is known as contact of circles. Orthogonal circles. When two circles cut each other at right angle, they are called orthogonal circles. Some other named circles are chromatic circle, fourth circle, circle of anti-similitude, Carlisle circle, Bank circle.
Let's find out how a circle is related to dance forms.
Dance is a performing art form consisting of purposefully selected sequences of human movement. Each and every state of India has its own traditional dance forms. For example, a major dance form of Kerala is Tiruvadira, and a major dance form of Himachal Pradesh, Nati. A major dance form of Tamil Nadu is Bharatanatyam. A major dance form of Assam is Bihu, and etc. Let's ever discuss on two of them, which is Tiruvadira and Nati, and see how these are related to circle.
Tiruvadira was Kaikot Kathakali is a unique dance performed in Kerala on the spacious day of Tiruvadira, the birthday of Lord Shiva. In this, a group of 8 or 10 women are seen dressed in a traditional Kerala attire dancing in a circle. They design the ground in which the dance is to be played with beautiful flower carpets in which many geometrical figures are hidden. Nati is the most famous dance of Himachal Pradesh. In this dance form, a group of men or women dressed in their traditional attire arrange themselves in a circle and rhythmically dance to the beats produced by instruments such as the dole, narsingha, etc. Let's find out how are circles related to paintings. Painting is an important form in the visual arts, bringing in elements such as drawing, composition, gesture, narration, and abstraction. There are different types of paintings like mural paintings, kangara paintings, cave paintings, etc. Here we will be understanding the relation of circles in paintings through the discussion on the cave paintings of two important caves, the Edakal Cave of Kerala and the Tabu Cave of Himachal Pradesh. Tabu is noted for being the oldest continuously operating Buddhist enclave in India. A large number of frescoes displayed on its walls depict tales from the Buddhist pantheon. There are many priceless collections of scroll paintings comprising of circles, lines, etc. Edakal caves are famous for their paintings of figures, humans, animals, symbols, and letters. These paintings are believed to date back to about 6000 BC. The etchings and prehistoric line drawings are testament to the culture and lives of those who have lived in caves years ago. These figures are a combination of many geometrical figures like triangles, squares, etc. But the most commonly used ones are the circles, which were used to represent flowers and heads of people, etc. Now let's see how are circles related to food. In India, there are several mouth-watering dishes. Their counts are just infinite. But here we will be only discussing about circular foods which are very popular, at the same time mouth-watering too. Chapati is a very famous North Indian dish, especially in states of Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, etc. They are introduced to several other countries by immigrants from India. They are always made in a perfect circular shape. Dosha is a very famous South Indian dish, especially in Kerala. There are different varieties of dosha like paneer dosha, masala dosha, etc. It is somewhat similar to a crepe in appearance, that is, it's circular in shape. Cookies are baked or cooked food that is typically small, flat, circular and sweet. It's a food which is common in all countries and are mostly liked by children. The outer bulging of eyes is circular in shape. What is the significance of eyes being circular in shape? Let's find it out. The reason it is round is because that is the way it is evolved in organisms. Let's discuss why are round eyes better. It is because it is the only shape which can rotate in the eye socket. This means we can move our eyes to look in different direction without moving head. This would be a big advantage as we could look out for danger more easily or quickly without moving our head. All tires and wheels are always made circular. Why are tires made circular? Let's find it out. The circular shape of wheels ensure that the vehicles can move fast. Wheels help cars move by rolling smoothly and without much drag. Their circular shape is the most appropriate one as they maintain a uniform and smooth contact with the surface. So the only main reason why tires and wheels are made circular is that
to reduce the friction.
Have you ever imagined why cities are always made circular? Let's find it out here. The reasons why cities are made circular are due to the following reason. While working, cities has to rotate at high speed. So in order to avoid the vibration due to the non-uniform distribution of mass, cities are manufactured in circular shape.
Nowadays, mostly all the coins which we find around us are circular in shape. So let's find out why are coins made circular. Coins were not originally round, they were simply lumps of precious metal. Sometimes they were rare shells or beads. Later, coins were formed by the lost wax method. Any shape was possible, including those of fish or other regularly used items. Coins began to be formed in a round shape because rulers wanted their or others' portraits or propagandas to be depicted on the coins. This is not always easy to do with a cast coin. Mostly, all the coins today are minted in the non-traditional round shape. So this is why coins are made circular.
Importance of circle. Circle are often used to symbolize harmony and unity. For instance, take a look at the Olympic symbol. It has 5 interlocking rings of different colors, which represent the 5 major continents of the world united together in a spirit of healthy competition. It is observed that the circle is the most liked shape in advertisement and media industry. Most of the logos are embedded in circular or oval shape. This is because the circle, more than any other shapes, resists distraction of vision and act as a focal field toward which the viewer's attention is continuously attracted. We might be wondering why there is a hole at the top of each chair or stool. The hole in the plastic stool are round and not square for a reason. It's to maintain the structural integrity of the stool and to prevent it from breaking when you sit.
This project was a great way to help myself realize something that I had not before, like how much work I actually put into my assessment and how much I actually understand the work. The key is put in the front of me as we don't look at the work after we go home because why would you see at the home and you have friends around you at home to help divide the work and how
Thanking you with pleasure, the Fantastic Six.